all the modifications on this car is done. What the fuck? All the modifications. Yo guys, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today we're actually back with another POV drive. I haven't done one for a hot minute, so I thought, you know what, let me hop out my house and do a POV. This one's gonna be sick. I'm excited to do this one. I don't know where I'm gonna drive to. I'm probably gonna drive to a nan's house, you know what I'm saying, ask her for a little kiss on the cheek. But before we get into it, if you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. We're so close to hitting 900 subs, so please help me out, you know what I'm saying. If you don't know what car I drive a Vauxhall Corsa. We've done a few mods to my car so far, so I'm gonna show you guys what my car is currently looking like. So yeah, this is what the car is currently looking like, you know what I'm saying. We got little black rims, got little decals, you know what I'm saying, the back custom plate, all of that, all the good stuff, So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the POV drive. Yes, so we are on our drive now. I don't know where I'm driving to. We're pretty much just gonna drive to Narnia and see if I can find that lion, you know what I'm saying, that goat looking thing. So yeah, let's see how this goes. If you are new to the channel though, leave a like and subscribe. I'm pretty sure most of these roads are gonna be 20 and I'm not sitting in the lights, so that's getting scared. Don't watch that, okay? All right, I've been driving for 10 years. When it comes to lights, I know when to go and when to not go, you know what I'm saying. That was kind of safe. Just if you're, I'm saying, if you're learning to drive, yeah, don't do that. But I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of traffic today, so I don't know how much of this I'm actually gonna be able to do. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be stuck in traffic for most of this drive, but we do have a nice car in front of me. I don't know what car it is. Go in the comments if you know what car that is. My car's still better than that car, I'm not gonna lie, because my car's kind of, you know what I'm saying, that shit kind of be hitting the G-spot most of the time when I'm driving it. But yeah, I think I chose the wrong time to drive. I'm pretty sure there's like bare school kids and shit, and like hella niggas are probably looking at me. So when you're look, one thing about YouTube, yeah, you gotta have a fucking bollock, yeah, to do this shit, because it's very embarrassing chilling in a car with a fucking GoPro on your head, yeah. But you know what, we're doing it because content, you know what I'm saying. In this video, I'm pretty much just gonna be talking shit about some updates and what's going on, future mods that I have planned, shit that I've got going on, and some stuff about some stuff about this car, etc. I want to start off with my schedule, my upload schedule, scuffed, yeah, but it looks kind of ugly right now, you know what I'm saying. I ain't gonna lie, my schedule ain't looking too good. I try to upload at least once a week, but obviously that doesn't always go to plan because whatever reasons, it just doesn't go to plan. But I try to upload at least once a week, so hence why this video is kind of late. I can't lie, this video is very late. I was meant to do this I was meant to do this video like fucking a long time ago, but obviously technical difficulties, so that's why we're here. But yeah, hopefully I hope you actually like this video, yeah, because I'm doing this video. I was tired. I was like, you know what, should I film today? And I was like, fuck it, I'll just film, because I haven't filmed in a minute and I'm fucking tired of shit, I can't lie. But you know what, we're here. But I do want to talk about a modification that's I've had this part for so long, yeah, and I haven't put it on yet, basically. Usually, oh, she is leng, bro. What the fuck? Hey, who saw that, bro? But yeah, basically there's a modification that I've been planning to do for like probably two and a half weeks now, and I haven't got a chance to get it on yet. You guys, majority, if you follow me on Instagram, which is _Chillwoo, you would know what modification it is, but I'll tell you guys in this video anyway. Basically, I bought a new exhaust, not like a full exhaust, but like just the back box part of the exhaust, basically. So, and I haven't, basically, yeah, basically, I don't have a driveway, so pretty much, yeah, if I gotta do mods, I've pretty much got to do it in the street, basically. And obviously, I'm not gonna just fucking go bare far up, like past my house to film it. So pretty much I need to basically park right outside of my house and then set up everything and then do it all basically there. But obviously, I don't own that parking spot, so a lot of the time, there's a lot of people in the way of that parking spot and shit. So I'm always having to like fucking improvise and shit to basically try and get that modification done. Also, I can't do it by myself. My dad's a mechanic, he knows what he's doing. So I got pretty much, oh my gosh, there's gonna be so much traffic. So I've got to pretty much make sure my dad's ready. I've got to make sure I've got everything ready. I've been buying a lot of things that I need to do this. And apparently my dad was telling me that there might be a problem with fitting the exhaust. A lot of the time when you're fitting an exhaust, especially on an old car, you can run into a problem of the back box exhaust being like corroded, welded to the other part of the exhaust, and it might be hard to get off, so you might need to go to a garage. So it's kind of hard to do it yourself, if that makes sense. Like you need all the equipment, all the tools to basically do it yourself, and I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna have all the stuff to do it myself, you know what I'm saying. I would love to do that modification myself, because my whole channel, I want to basically do everything myself. Like that's the whole point of the channel, to do everything myself, and yeah, to see how it goes, basically. That's the whole point of the channel. But obviously I don't always get a chance to do it. That's my old instructor, bruv. I swear that's like the third time that's literally my old instructor, but he never looks at me. Like what the fuck? That's literally my old instructor. What the fuck? But yeah, I don't have all the stuff to do the modifications, but pretty much all we got it's not set in stone basically. I need to check under my car first and see if it is actually corroded or welded together basically, which I'm not 100% sure it is, but I need to basically check that before I can do the modification. If I can't do the modification, then what I'm probably gonna have to do is get a garage to do it for me, and then that means I won't be able to might not be able to film it. So like there's so much, like I bought obviously I like to do mods for my car, but I buy it for content as well, and if I can't film it, then it's kind of like not really a waste, but it's like harder to make a full video out of it. But I should still be able to make a video out of it. But yeah, that hopefully that video can get done in like the next coming weeks. I can get my exhaust on. It's a sick it's an interesting one because it's different, you know what I'm saying? It's not that mad different, but I feel like people that's got a new car and they don't want to spend too much on exhaust, but they want their car to sound pretty decent. I think this exhaust that I'm going to show you guys, and I feel like you guys would actually enjoy that, and like, yeah, like that exhaust basically. But yeah, that's the mod that I've been struggling with. There is other mods coming up. There's loads of mods that I still need to do. I need to get basically a SRI body kit for my car, which is obviously going to be long to do, but that's pretty much what I need to do. I need to get an SRI body kit for my car. It's not like, it's basically just the front of my car. Basically, if you don't know, there's fucking, what's the word, there's more than one, basically if you don't know, there's more than one type of body kit for a Corsa. So my Corsa didn't come with any like sporty side skirts or sporty spoilers or fucking bull bag, you know what I'm saying? It didn't come with a hench bull bag basically. So I need to buy all that stuff and then put it on manually basically, which I took an L here. I should have bought, pretty much what I'm saying is I should have bought the SRI version of my car. Because I didn't buy the SRI version, I'm taking an L basically. That's like the moral of the story. I'm literally taking an L. So I need to buy all them parts, which is pretty much £100 each. I need to buy them and then put them on, which basically means more content, but I'm spending more money on my car, which I'm probably going to lose money because when I sell it, I don't know, I can't really add that price on basically what I'm trying to say. So I might run into that problem, but you know what, content, yeah, content. But yeah, I need to buy, I'm gonna basically buy that body kit and then install all them parts, hopefully myself, which shouldn't be too hard. That stuff's all gonna get done, and then straight after that, I'm gonna get a few more like side skirt extensions, even splitters. Basically I'm getting like 2 splitters, 2 side skirts. It's a lot, yeah, it's a lot. This car is basically gonna transform and look pretty mad. I'm also gonna get rear diffusers, fucking hell. Yeah, I'm pretty much gonna get diffusers for my car as well. That's gonna be fun, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do that also. This car, basically big plans, a lot of plans for this car, literally a lot. And yeah, I'm excited to do them all because yeah, I just love doing stuff to my car. That's like the whole, I just love doing stuff to my car, whether it's small stuff, big stuff, whatever it is, I just like doing it. And yeah, that's the whole point of my channel. Like, that's the main thing, as I said before, is literally mods. That's the main thing for my channel, is mods. And hopefully I can provide great content on some mods that I'm gonna do and stuff like that. Because yeah, that's, as I said, that's what I enjoy. That's a beautiful car behind me. That's an M Sport. I don't know what car, it's probably an M5. It is a fucking, not M5, a 5 Series. It's a 5 Series, fucking hell. I've been driving behind this car this whole fucking journey. Oh yeah, we've got tints. Oh yeah, fucking hell. Oh shit, yeah, we got tints going on soon as well. That might be my next, I'm not 100% sure. I'm torn between 2 mods. I'm torn between tints and another modification I can do. I'm not 100% sure which one I want to do first, but I'm torn between those 2 right now. Tints, I want to get chameleon tints, which is obviously not that common in Corsas, because you don't see that many Corsas with chameleon tints. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, that shit will look fucking weird. And I swear, hey, okay, listen, how many Corsas do you know with chameleon tints, bro? How many Corsas do you know with chameleon tints? How many Corsas do you know with chameleon tints? Go on. You'll say none, yeah? Because Corsas don't have chameleon tints. It's not a thing. Do you understand? But yeah, I feel like chameleon tints will look. How much? Oh, I don't even know how much they are. I do need to check how much they are, but I did check. There's a place which will do like pretty much all my windows except the windscreen one for like 150, which is a sick price. But including the windscreen, it might be like 200 more, 200 plus, especially if it's fucking chameleon tints as well. So I need to see what I want to do basically, but I'm 90% sure I want to do the chameleon tints because I feel like I don't know any Corsa that's got that. I can't lie, like I haven't seen any anyway, and that would be weird to see a Corsa with chameleon tints. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm not 100% sure what order I'm gonna do everything in, but we'll figure it out at some point. Yeah, so we got big plans for this car, big plans. New cars. I want to talk about my next car as well. Obviously, I'm not going to get another car until all the modifications on this car is done. What the fuck? All the modifications? Nah, mate. Nah. What the fuck? fucking god, he could have just opened my door. But my door wasn't locked. Oh my fucking days, my door wasn't locked. My door wasn't locked. Imagine he could have just fucking grabbed me. He actually could have just grabbed me. He literally could have just grabbed. Fam, yeah, I need to be careful. Hey, listen, everyone in the comments, lock your doors, yeah? If you're driving, lock your doors. Some doors, look, if I can, I don't know whether I can code my car to like get it to lock when I turn it on or when I drive or whatever, but, oh shit, my alarm. But yeah, good tip, lock your doors, mate, because shit the bed, that brother just fucking walked straight in front of my car. That guy caught me off guard! Fuck! Do you know how scared, bruv? I was thinking, bruv, why did it take, I'm sorry, wait, if you can see in the footage, I think I took a double take, I don't even know, but I just saw this nigga just chilling there, I'm thinking, what the fuck? Hey, that man is crazy. I'm thinking, what the fuck is going on? Like, what the fuck? Fam, that shit caught me off fucking guard. Bruv, that actually scared me, bruv. What the fuck? Oh my days, my heart is actually... Alright, let me get back to... Well, I don't even know what I was saying, yeah? I don't know what I was saying. But I think this Fiesta in front of me wants to race, so I'm going to race them. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. Look at my shifts. I'm going to told you this before, but my shifts are gone, bro. I'm going to race this guy. Watch this. Do you see that, guys? Like how I can race him? Look how slow he is, bro. Look at that. Look how slow he is, bro. He ain't got pace like me. I got 300 brake horsepower on this car, bro. You're not gonna, bro. Why is he braking? He's scared. He's scared. That's what I'm saying. This car is guanin. This car will race an RS6 and beat it. That's how quick this car is. This car is guanin. I don't know. I actually don't know where I am. I'm driving in some unknown location, uncharted territory. I don't know where I am. I think I'm going towards fucking Tottenham or some shit, you know. I don't know where I am, bruv. Where the fuck am I, blood? There's bad traffic and shit. I don't know where I am. I'm gonna have to spin this car around, bro. I'm gonna end up on some fucking motorway, yeah, doing 70 miles per hour, like 10 miles away from my house. Like, what am I doing? But if you have made it up to this point in this video, leave a like. You know what I'm saying? I've been waffling bears because your boy is a professional driver. I've been driving for pretty much 18 years of my life. Gained like 18 years of experience, even though I've been driving for 8 months. You know what I'm saying? That's how good I am. This car in front of me, yeah, is so slow, I can pace them in like 2 seconds. That's how quick I am. If you haven't realized, in my last few videos, I've been doing a little poll, you know what I'm saying? I want you guys to go in the comments and let me know which car you prefer. All right, so if you had to choose, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go a bit basic this time. If you had to choose, which one should I do? Oh, I'm gonna do, yeah, I don't know if I've done this before, but which one would you choose? If you had to choose one, would you choose a Mercedes A45S or would you choose an RS3? Go in the comments and let me know which one you guys would prefer. I don't know which one I would prefer personally, but choose one and yeah. But I'm not gonna lie, before I end up in Narnia, I'm gonna leave this video here. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. If you do want to see more POV drives, go in the comment below and let me know. Go in the comments and be like, oh yeah, I want to see more POV drives, and I'll definitely be doing more. So yeah, if you did enjoy it, leave a like and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.